Hi, welcome to our channel of IGNOU audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Foreign Languages, SOFL. Certificate in Arabic Language, CAL. BAL 002 Communication Skills. Block-1 Listening and Speaking I. Unit-2 Conversation Inside the Office. 2.0 Objectives. The objective of this unit is to familiarize you with the day-to-day spoken Arabic in the office and to acquaint you with the common Arabic words used. 3. Conversation. To make you aware of common words and expressions used in other situations of life. 2.1 Introduction. As you have learnt in the previous unit, we are familiarizing you with the situation-based conversations. In this unit, conversation inside an office will be taught, as pointed out in the previous unit, while engaging in conversation with a female colleague or a girl. Please note that you have to change the case of pronoun used for addressing God, anta, you, male, and tilde I, auntie, you, female. Tilde dollar, kitabuka, your book, for male, and tilde dollar, kitabuki, your book, for female, etc. Please remember that even though the conversations have been set in an office situation, they are of general nature and hence can be applied in day-to-day life situations. You need to memorize them and practice them as much you can for a better command of speaking. Let us start with a quick revision of some Arabic words you have learnt in the previous unit. 2.2 Revision. Read the following Arabic words loudly. Student, male, talib female, talib talaba. Class as saf. What? Ma. Your name, male, ismuka your name, female, ismaki. Notebook karasa book kitab. Pen column fan marwaha. Do. You. Hal. You. Like. Love tuhibu. Please. Arjuka, Rajan of course. Tab. In. Welcome marhaba. In front. Of. Amama. What mada that. Female. Tilka. Today al yam switch on shagagal. Useful mufida names asma. How are you kayfahuluka fine by khayyrwa afia. Yesen. Good morning Saba al-Khair. Good morning, Sabal al-Khair. Thanks a lot shukran jazilan. Fruits fawaki apple tafa. Banana maz grapes inab. Orange bertikal mango manju. Date tamar etc. was garuha. Vegetable kudur brinjal bazinjan. Cauliflower carnabat potato ba tata. Tomato tamatim cabbage malfuf. Spinach sabank beans fasulia. 2.3 New words. Office maktab room. Chamber gurfa. Employee mawaddaf employees muwa dhd hafi nl muwa dhdhaf. In, plural, maze. Secretary secret ear. Secretary secretira. Director mudira. Department idara. Company sharika. What do you do? Mada ta mal. You are going anta dahib. Please raja in. To where ila ina. Thanks a lot alfshuker. Mention not afwan. Al, afw. I am very grateful. Anna Mamteen Jiddan. Well done, Santa. Sorry I am busy, Esif Anna. Mashgal. Excuse me. Ismaili. For mask. Ismahi 11, for. Please come in. Please do tafa d daltafa dd. All, mask. Femi. Take this, Kud Hada. I am happy to meet you. Anna Saeed by Likaika. I am also happy to meet you. Anna Aiden Saeed. By Ikaika. We are also happy to meet you. Nanu I Dan. Suada, by Likaika. I work in this office. Anna Amal Fi Hada 1 Maktab. Shop. Mahal. Library. Maktaba. School Madarsa Friend Sadiq. NGO. Muna DHD Hama _ Gair Huktimaya. Government. Hukfima. University. Jamia. Airport. Matar. Railway station. Mahada Al-Kitar. Mosque. Masjid. 2.4 Conversation. Good morning friends. Sabahal Khair Ayuha El Akstika. Good morning Nadim. Saba and Nut Ya Nadim. Ahmad. Excuse me friends. Ahmad. Ismalu Li Ayuha El Akstika. Ahmad. Can I join you? Ahmad. Mumkin Yusharikakam. Friends. Of course Al Akstika. Tab. In. Sahel. Has the director come? Sahel. Hal Ja'a El Mutter. Anil. I did not see him. An. Ma Ra'atuhu. Anil, this is an office an, Hada Maktab. Nadim, yes this is an office Nadim, Na, Am Hada. Maktab. Ahmad, this is an office of a famous company. Ahmad, Hada Maktabu Sharika Mashhira. Ahmad, and we work here. Ahmad, wa nanu namal fihi. Sahel, let us start work. Sahel, li nabda, al, amal. Ahmad, Nadim, Anil and others, sure, we will start work. Ahmad wa Nadim was an wa akam. Ajal, nabda, al, amal. The peon, the director has come. Al bayan, ka ja'a one mutter. The peon, and, he is calling Mr. Nadim al bayan, wa huwa yadu es Saeed Nadim. Nadim, excuse me sir, can I Nadim, Ismaili ya. Come in sir? Saidi, the director, al mutter, tafa di dal. Please come in. Director, did you finish yesterday's work? Al mutter, hal, atmamta, amala ams? Nadim, nam, ya. Nadim, yes sir. Saidi, director, where? Al mutter, aina el, is the file? Malaf, Nadim, this is Nadim, hada huwa el. The file, Malaf, director, well, al mutter, santa ya. Done Nadim, 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 thanks. Nadim, alf shukr ya. A lot sir. Saidi, director, where is the secretary? Secretaire? Al mutter, aina s. Nadim, he is busy sir. Nadim, huwa, mashkal ya Saidi, director, please, bring him. Al mutter, Rajan, derbu ya Nadim. Nadim, at your Nadim, Tata Amrik. Command sir. Ya Saidi, director, take this. Al mutter, kud hada. Nadim, what's this sir? Nadim, ma hada ya Saidi? Director, this is a gift for you. Al mutter, hadihi hadi alaka. Nadim, I am. Nadim, Anna Maman, extremely, jiddan, grateful. Director, al mutter, al, afw. Mention not, secretary, can I as secretaire, is my come in sir? Ya Saidi, director, please, come in. Al mutter, tafa di dal. Director, what's al mutter, ma today's program? Barnamaj al yam, secretary, meeting with the, as secretaire, lika, ma. I muwa dhdefin, employees. Director, fine. Al mutter, Hassanan. Nadim, where? Nadim, Ila Ina Anta. Are you going to Dahib ya Anil? Oh Anil? Anil, to meet the Anil, li likai el mudur. Director, Nadim, fine. We will meet the director. Nadim, Tayyib, Sanaltikt bil mutter. Ahmad, will you come with us too? The director, O Sahel? Almad, hal tati. Maana ila el mutter ya Sahel? Sahel, sorry, I am busy. Sahel, esif Anna mashgal. Director, I am. Al mutter, Anna said bye. Pleased to meet you all. Likikam, employees, we are also pleased to meet you. Director, this is your company, so work very sincerely. Employees, sure, we will work very sincerely. Al mawaddafan, nanu adan su ada by likaika. Al mutter, hadhihi, sharikatukam, imalu by kuli iklas. Al muwa dhd hafan. Ajal, sanamal by kuli. Iklas, director, thank. Al mutter, shukran, you. Employees, mention not. Al mawaddafan, la shukr, ala wajib. Director, good. Al mutter, ma s. Bye. Salama. Employees, good al mawaddafan, bye. Ila el lika, thank you.